Hi, I'm Christina.
And I'm Randy. Are you ready for an adventure?
Come see our journey.
We're at the Ferndell. The Ferndell is at Griffith Park. It's at Black Oak Drive, 5400 Black Oak Drive. And we're going to take a little hike through the Ferndell.
I've never been here.
And see the ferns and the plant life and some fish and
whatever excitement.
Some crawdads and whatever else we can find.
Yeah.
That's a good one there, right there.
Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty big.
Amazing.
And Christina, she loves to take pictures. Yeah, we're in the Ferndell, owned by the city of Los Angeles. Christina never realized that we had a Ferndell.
Never did.
Griffith Park, part of Griffith Park. This is a part of Griffith Park that a lot of people don't see.
The other thing, I haven't seen water spiders in forever. Used to see them as a kid. Saw a crawdad already too. I got a picture of them. I'm like, wow, this is really cool. It's really nice and cool. I mean, cool-wise as far as temperature.
The city of Los Angeles used to take real good care of it. This is the Ferndell, and it's a part of Griffith Park. It's not a real advertised part of Griffith Park, and it's just something that's real pretty and nice. Not as well taken care of as it was years ago, but it's still here, and it's still a beautiful thing to see.
I'm so glad it's still here.
And not very many people go here on a regular basis. This is a holiday weekend, this is the holiday, and not very many people around. It's all very tropical.
See, there's nobody behind you.
Yeah.
A couple people.
It's all very tropical. See the size of the plants. I don't know if you can see those, but you can see it right there in the water, kind of crawling around. There he is, little crawdads.
He looks like a giant lobster. Did you see him? Right there.
Yeah.
I'm getting hungry.
Yeah. Crawdads. What's that?
Is this really LA? Because I can't believe it.
We're right in the heart of LA. You're probably not going to be able to see it, but there's trout in this.
And they've got to be the size of, like, from my arm.
They're giant.
From here to here.
Yeah. Oh, that's a catfish right there.
Oh.
That was a catfish.
Yeah, but those other ones are.
I think that right there is I think that's a trout there.
I don't know.
But that other one was a catfish, came up. Fish right there, see the fish? There's 4 of them sitting right there. Pretty cool. Wow. Big fish. It's like a jungle. It's really like a jungle. It's amazing that it's right here in the heart of the city. When I show Christina how close to the city she is, she's gonna freak out.
Who would have thought?
So here's an access point, a bridge, and she's still over there taking pictures of flowers, I think. Close up of the flowers.
I got it.
big. Been growing there for a while. So, a redwood. There's another one over that way. And then there's another one way over here. It's redwoods. There's no branches on the lower end because of how dense all of it is around it. As you walk through here, there's all these ferns are just growing wild. Nobody's taking care of it. Everything is just here. There is sprinklers that they use, and it is a part of the park. But it's obvious that nobody's overly maintaining the place, and it just grows. Show us the leaves. That's a good spot to show the leaves from. It shows how big you are.
Huge. Like elephant ears.
Yeah, some of it's pretty amazing when you look at it. Beautiful. Just the way it's growing is just crazy. There's a turtle there. Turtle moving around. The kids just caught the crawfish, they threw it back in the water, and he caught a turtle, and he's putting it back. He's putting the turtle back in the water. Christina's never seen the Ferndell before, and didn't realize there was one right here. Hollywood! Land of dreams.
Isn't that cool?
I don't know if you can see it.
Let's see.
Hollywood sign. Looking down into Hollywood. If you enjoyed our vlog, please subscribe
And ring that notification bell.
and give us a like. It lets us know you care.
And we'll see you on our next one. Bye.